Hello everyone and welcome back to rysonsspraybooth. So in my last video I had taken out this dent by using a stud welder and I had applied primer on top of it. So we were done taking out the dent. So now I will apply body filler on top of this dent. Now on this door you guys know already there are tiny scratches. Now all those scratches I will fill up with body filler. So here I have started my sanding process. I'm doing sanding here because I want to fill all this up with the body filler. So wherever you want to apply the body filler you will have to do the sanding there. So you will have to do the sanding properly, otherwise your body filler will not get the tooth to hold on to. It will not get the right grip to hold on the surface. So once you are done with the sanding process, take a cloth and take out all the dust on the surface. You can even air out the dust with the pressure air, but your main job here is to take out all the dust. Once you take out all the dust, take a wax and grease remover and wipe the surface so that your surface will become nice and clean and your body filler will get a good grip and a good hold on the surface. Then only your body filler will stay for a long time on the surface. Now once you do both these things, now it's time to apply the body filler. So take a putty knife and start applying the body filler. Now to apply this body filler is an art in itself. You will not get good at it just by applying it for 1 or 2 days. You will have to practice this. The more you apply body filler, you will start to get better and better at it. You can even practice this by applying the wall putty on your house walls. One more important thing I want to tell you guys here. When you are mixing the body filler, see that you mix the body filler very close to the dent so that you can apply it immediately after mixing it. If you are mixing it very far from the dent, then you will waste time while coming from that place to the dent, because while applying the body filler every second is important because it gets hard very fast. So friends, if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, then I have created a step-by-step course on it where I teach step-by-step and in details how to get a professional looking finish, and that too from your home garage. Guys, people all around the world have enrolled in my course and are taking advantage of it. And that too, I had created this course for a very small audience, because when you learn this skill set, you don't even have the idea how much money you are going to save, and you can even make money on this skill. You can use this skill as a hobby. You can even give a different look to your vehicle, and when you have all these tools, then you can even carry out the repairs at home by yourself. And when you do the repairs by yourself, the satisfaction that you get is on a different level. So if you want to learn seriously, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself, and I will see you guys on the inside. And once you are enrolled in this course, then you will get access to my private Facebook community where you can ask me any questions regarding Autobody and painting, and I try to answer almost all the questions in that group. You can post the photos and videos of your paint job. If you mess up somewhere, then you can take a video and photo of it and post it in the group and ask for feedback. Because when you are learning for the first time, then definitely you are going to mess up. But when you mess up, then how to come out from that mess and how to fix that mess, there you will need support. So in this type of situations, you can ask me any question and clear your doubts. So guys, I will not fast forward this process of applying body filler, and you guys must have noticed that I have mixed more body filler here and I'm applying more body filler on top of the body filler. Now the body filler which I had applied before is not dried yet. I can apply fresh mixed body filler on top of that body filler. It creates that bonding, so you don't have to worry. Now this body filler you will sand before applying the primer. If it is not stuck properly, then while sanding you will come to know that. Now as you guys can see, my mixed body filler is over again, so I will mix more body filler here. So here I am using 3M's lightweight body filler. This gets hard very fast, and the body filler that I am using here was inside the tin for few months, so it is getting hard very quickly. That is the reason why I have to mix a little bit and apply it as soon as possible. Even if I waste a little bit of time, the body filler is starting to get hard. So here I am done applying the body filler on the main dent. Now all the scratches which are there on the door, on that you will have to apply as little body filler as possible, because these are very tiny scratches. If you apply too much body filler here, then you will waste a lot of time sanding that body filler down. Even if you put little amount of body filler in these scratches, it is enough. The few most tiniest scratches which are left will be filled by the 2K primer. So don't waste too much time on these tiny scratches and apply as little body filler as possible, and that is enough. So as you guys can see, I am done applying the body filler here, and in my next video we will start with the sanding process. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.